Put the capo on the 5th fret. So now I'm considering the 5th fret 0. And the little intro thing that happens between the singing is going to be a G chord. And I think we'll do the double here. But any kind of G chord that you know is going to work. Okay, so we got the G chord. And then we're going to play an E minor chord next, and you know, it's kind of a nice decision to leave these there for the E minor too. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a little in-between note, and also want to tell you this. It's counting in 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you're a straight up beginner, you could do the intro 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But we're going to add the 2nd fret of the E string in between the 2 chords. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So on that 3 is when we hit that note. Watch. Now to spice it up, you could go, you know, with your fingers, you could hit the low note with your thumb and go, and I'm just going G, B, high E. You know, you can pick your own pattern out. So you could do the whole song with that kind of pattern with your fingers as well. But for the beginners out there, you can just strum it. So that's the beginning. 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So finally, I heard there was a secret chord that David pleased and he pleased alone. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and then You Don't Care goes to a C chord. We got the classic C chord from my ebook as well. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 sets of 3 counts on that C chord and 1 3 count on the D. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So check it out. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and then a G